Are you looking for the? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best juicers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Omega JC 2022 GY11 Slow Masticating Cold Press Juicer. This new masticating juicer model from Omega makes batch juicing even easier thanks to the extra large, 68-ounce hopper that requires minimal fruit and veggie prep. You simply fill the hopper with a bunch of fruit and veggies, most of them can be whole, and then let the juicer self-feed and juice all by itself. There is also a 60-second memory feature that helps the model remember the rotation and operation that was last used. There is also a safety mechanism where the juicer makes a noise when the lid is open, and it automatically shuts off so you don't hurt your fingers when refilling the hopper. In our testing, we found the juicing operation to be a bit slower than other cold press models tested. The carrot juice it produced was sweet and earthy with only a little bit of pulp. We also appreciated how easy this juicer was to put together and that it comes with minimal pieces for easy storage. It also features an all-in-one auger that crushes and separates the juice from its pulp. There is no fine mesh juicing screen, which are usually the hardest piece to clean in a juicer, making this one of the easiest juicers to hand wash. Keep in mind that the parts aren't dishwasher safe. Number 2. Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer Revo 830W. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer ranked highly in our cold press juicer testing with a very quick and easy juicing operation that yielded delicious pulp-free juice. In our recent testing, we were impressed with how much juice was produced and that the apple and carrot juices were very sweet. We were able to fit whole apples in the 3.5-inch feed tube and whole carrots in the smaller 1.5-inch feed tube, which reduced prep time. This juicer features nesting juice and pulp cups for easy storage and a wider pulp gasket, the area where pulp is pushed out of, for easier cleaning. We are excited to test out this model's citrus attachment, which can turn this cold press juicer into a citrus juicer as well. While this juicer is on the pricier side, Kuvings offers a 15-year limited warranty on this product. Number 3. nutribullet Slow Masticating Juicer Machine. The nutribullet Slow Juicer comes with the basics you need at an entry-level price point. Accessories include a multi-purpose strainer, a juice container with visible volume markings, a pulp collecting container and a scrub brush for easy cleaning. The juicer is intuitive to assemble thanks to the design of the strainer that only allows you to insert it into the juicing chamber one way. The 3-inch wide chute can fit large pieces of fruits and veggies, and a smaller section accommodates thinner ingredients. The mechanism is also easier to clean than others, which are typically narrower with more pieces and crevices. Our initial tests yielded 1 cup of apple juice from 3 apples, which is the same impressive amount we juiced from the larger, more powerful juicers we tested. It's relatively quiet and the no-drip spout lets you easily pour your juice when ready. An included recipe book provides tips on juicing and other fun options like using leftover pulp for cooking and baking. Number 4. Breville Juice Fountain Elite. Breville's Juice Fountain Elite is a top-notch juicer that powered through sturdy fruits and vegetables faster, and quieter, than most juicers we tested. The resulting juice from our lab test was smooth, creamy, and pulp-free. It comes with a 1.1 quart juice jug with a froth separator and a 3.2 quart pulp container, allowing you to juice a larger amount of produce in one session. It has a large 3-inch feeding tube to fit bigger fruits and veggies, and the juicer runs at 2 speeds so you can juice both hard and soft ingredients. The juicing mechanism contains a titanium-reinforced disc and an Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket made out of stainless steel, which Breville claims are both designed for optimum juice and nutrient extraction. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Premium Big Mouth Centrifugal Juicer. This fuss-free juicer is just around $120, and it performed well in our lab testing. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, fast, and makes smooth, pulp-free juice. The 3-inch feed tube fits larger pieces of fruit and veggies, and it comes with a large 40-ounce pitcher with a lid and froth separator. Several parts are dishwasher safe, and it also comes with an innovative cleaning tool that wipes away the pulp from the inside, outside and bottom of the cutting blade in one swipe, while protecting your fingers. Although the juicer was a little loud in our lab tests, the price, speed, and results make up for it. Number 6. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. If you hate prep work, the Centrifugal Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is the juicer for you. It can fit a whole apple in its 3.5-inch wide feed tube. Unique rivets on the top of the feed tube help easily position and guide ingredients into the juicer. In our tests, it juiced carrots and kale the fastest and was a top contender when it came to juicing apples. The resulting juices all tasted sweet and pulp-free. This model features cold spin technology which Breville claims ensures an insignificant temperature increase while juicing, and we can attest that we found this model produced juice at similar temperatures to the masticating juicers we tested. The juicer's dial is easy to use with helpful speed descriptors, slow for soft fruit, high for hard vegetables. The large, 70-ounce pitcher and heavy-duty lid were nice bonuses, perfect for serving extra-large batches or storing leftovers. The pitcher even has a froth separator.